Knives are cool. And axes too.
All right, hello everybody. Robert Breaker here. And church service is over, and I thought I'd do a quick video for the Knives Are Cool and Axes 2 channel. I got an axe here with a story behind it that's pretty awesome. One of the people that come to church with us is in the armed forces. He came for a long time. He was over at the Naval Air Station here in Pensacola, and then he was shipped out to the swamp, to Virginia and DC area. So he's gone, but he wanted to give me a memento, and we miss him. His name was Zach. Zach, we love you, man. We miss you. We hope all's going good with you. But Zach wanted to give me this, and I'm just so moved and touched, I just can't believe. So he was, I believe, going for Special Forces or something, and they had him take an old axe and redo it. And that was one of the classes in the military that he did. So this is the axe. Let me take it off here and show you. And this is a pretty cool axe. He had to go to, I think they told him to go to a thrift store or something like that, get an axe, and then redo it. This is the axe that he got. This is a very old axe right here. Let's see if we can zoom in on it. And this is a nail puller, and it's very sharp. He redid all of this, and I think he redid the handle. This is a very nice handle. I like the handle too. Now this actually has a name on it, but I cannot read it. So I don't know who made this axe or anything like that. But this is a sharp axe, but there's something special about this axe. Now, some axes are just straight. Some have a curve this way, some have a curve that way. And the reason is when you have a curve, you're making a bowl, you want it to be curved. So you're curving around like this. Well, I don't know if you could see it, but this axe actually curves out to the right. So it's not a straight axe, it's got a little curve to it. I've never had an axe like that. I've always thought those were cool, wouldn't mind having one, but I'm not left-handed, so it's kind of, but it's still, he's taken it out and thrown it, he said, and it works just like a regular axe, even though it has a little bend to it. Part of his class was to refinish it, redo it, put a handle on, and to sharpen it. And also, this is the cool part, and to make a leather sheath. So this is what they're teaching in the military today, and I think it's pretty cool. And I'm moved, I'm touched that he would think enough about me to give me this. This is really awesome. So let's put it into the sheath here, and it goes in like this, I believe. And you put it in, then you pull this, and then come over the top and buckle. There's your buckle. Now, he went ahead and did some leather tools and did the first part of his last name on here as well. So I'll always remember Zach for this. My grandmother used to do leather, and I have all her old leather tools, so I could do something like that. But I think this is really amazing. I think he even conditioned the leather and everything like that. And this was part of his class in the military. And just to think enough about me that he wanted to give that to me, I'm just, wow. I am in awe. But that is a nice axe. I wish I had. I've got the boards to do it. I'm going to build a board so I can learn to start throwing axes. Maybe one day you'll get to see me throw this one and have it stick into the wood and all that stuff. But this is a really neat axe, and it's a specialty axe for more like carving. And I just like it, and I really think it's amazing. I like the nail puller as well. I think that's pretty cool. And that is an old axe that's been refurbished, and he did a great job. Show the letters there. It looks like, what is it, GR maybe? I don't know. The Greek alphabet letter pi. I don't know if that's the words or what, but usually when they get old, it gets off all of the markings and everything. But pretty cool axe. He sharpened it very well. I mean, that's razor sharp right there. See, my fingernail just took it off right there. So I really appreciate you, Zach, and we miss you. We're glad you got your wife to come, and we got to meet her, and we wish you well there in Virginia. Hope you find a good Bible-believing church, and please come back and visit us sometime, okay? And I'll take good care of this, and I am just really, wow, so blessed to have such good viewers. And yes, knives are cool, and axes too. So thanks for watching, and we'll be bringing a lot more content of axes and knives and everything else. So we'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.
Knives are cool. And axes too.
Bullseye.